This is the Sleeping Beauty Tonie. It has 6 tracks in all. The first 5 are songs. 3 of the songs are from the original movie. 2 of the songs are karaoke versions. The 6th track is the narrated story.
News of the royal birth quickly traveled, and a grand celebration was planned.
They do a nice job on the narrated story of including the original audio from the movie in the background. It's kind of a neat way to do it.
The most honored among them.
The narrated story covers the whole character arc of Sleeping Beauty, aka Aurora, aka Briar Rose.
To be successful, the plan would require total secrecy.
I wonder what she did all those years in the woods from age 0 to 16 under the alias Briar Rose. Kind of reminds me of Ellie Driver, aka California Mountain Snake. Maybe she ran a secret sewing circle. Whatever she did, I'm sure it didn't carry forward when she returned to the kingdom as Princess Aurora.
To be successful, the plan would require total secrecy.
What happened in the forest stayed in the forest. The character title, in and of itself, is slightly misleading, in my opinion. In the test we conducted, she never slept. I don't even think I saw her blink. And don't forget, in 2025, we're doing 25 Tonie reviews. Stay tuned for more. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up or share it with somebody else who you think might like it. Hit the plus button to subscribe, and thanks again for watching.